Hello, my name is Megan Spina, and I'm an undergraduate student at Rutgers University, New Brunswick. This summer, I completed an internship at the H.J. Andrews Experimental Forest in Central Oregon with the Lamana Lab of Marquette University. My project is about how plant abundance is altered by heat domes in burned landscapes. A heat dome occurs when the atmosphere traps hot ocean air under high pressure, kind of like a lid or a cap. Before the heat dome, I was measuring regeneration rates in the burned areas to help with Cole Doolittle's PhD project, but the opportunity presented itself to further look into the effects of the heat dome within the burned forest. In June of this year, temperatures rose to record highs, and it was especially interesting to see how new growth would respond to the combined events of a heat dome less than a year after a wildfire swept through the area. Our hypothesis was that heat domes disproportionately affect regeneration rates of less drought-tolerant species, like Tsuga heterophylla, western hemlock, than more drought-tolerant species, Pseudotsuga menziesii, Douglas fir. We found that western hemlock abundance decreased after the heat dome, and Douglas fir abundance did not decrease. The top two figures in the results section show the abundance of seedlings and plots that were measured only before the heat dome, shown in blue, and the abundance of seedlings and plots that were measured only after the heat dome, shown in red. On the other hand, the bottom right figure shows western hemlock abundance that were measured in plots that were surveyed before the heat dome in June, and then returned to and resurveyed after the heat dome in July. As wildfires and heat domes become more frequent due to climate change, forest composition may change, and we may start to see the decline of less drought-tolerant species, like western hemlock, in disturbed forests of the Pacific Northwest. These results and future findings should inform policy decisions for relevant forests managed for commercial or wildlife values. Thank you.